F-22 Raptor vs. hypersonic missiles, can it survive? Shield. The legendary F-22 Raptor, built for air dominance, now faces its deadliest challenge yet, hypersonic missiles. These unstoppable, ultra-fast weapons are rewriting the rules of aerial combat. Can the Raptor keep up? Join us as we dive into the shocking truth, hidden weaknesses, and next-gen defense strategies that could shape the future of air warfare. Can the F-22 Raptor, the undisputed king of the skies, survive the unstoppable force of hypersonic missiles? Crossed swords dive into the high-stakes showdown where cutting-edge speed meets unmatched stealth. The future of aerial dominance hangs in the balance. Will the Raptor rise or fall? The F-22 Raptor, once the apex predator of the skies, is now in the crosshairs of a new unstoppable threat, hypersonic missiles. Collision. The rules of air combat are being rewritten. Can elite engineering outsmart extreme speed? Let's uncover the survival secrets of next-gen warfare. Welcome back to SkyJet Wings. Today, we're diving into a game-changing revolution in modern warfare, hypersonic missiles. What do they mean for aerial supremacy? And can elite jets like the F-22 Raptor keep up? Buckle up as we uncover the future of high-speed combat and the tech reshaping the battlefield. Hypersonic missiles are one of the most advanced and feared weapons in modern warfare. They travel at Mach 5 or faster, that's over 3,800 miles per hour, allowing them to reach their targets in minutes. But speed is just the beginning. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles that follow a fixed, parabolic path, hypersonic missiles can maneuver during flight. This makes them extremely unpredictable and nearly impossible for current missile defense systems to detect, track, or intercept. Their gliding and turning ability means they can bypass radar coverage and strike with precision before a defense system can even react. With this combination of blazing speed, stealth, and agility, hypersonic weapons are changing how nations think about defense and offense. They pose a major challenge to even the most advanced aircraft, including the legendary F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor has long stood as the undisputed king of the skies, a marvel of stealth, supercruise speed, and advanced avionics. It was built to dominate in traditional dogfights and outmaneuver any airborne threat. But now, a new challenge is rising: hypersonic missiles. Warning: these next-gen weapons travel faster than any missile the Raptor was designed to face, and their unpredictable paths push the limits of even the most sophisticated sensors. While the F-22 systems are cutting-edge, they weren't built for this speed or complexity. The Raptor may be a legend, but in this new era, raw speed meets stealth with a twist, and the rules of air superiority are changing. Light-bulb hypersonic warfare is forcing military strategists to rethink what true dominance looks like in the sky. Topping a hypersonic missile isn't just difficult, it's one of the biggest challenges in modern defense. Here are the cutting-edge strategies being developed. Step 1. Maneuverability and evasive tactics. Next-gen aircraft and missile defense platforms are being engineered for ultra-fast reactions and unpredictable movements, giving them a fighting chance to evade these high-speed threats. Step 2. Advanced sensors and early warning systems. Traditional radar can't keep up, so defense systems are upgrading to space-based satellites and high-frequency radars to track hypersonic missiles in real time before they strike. Step 3. Directed energy weapons and high-tech countermeasures. Think powerful lasers and electromagnetic pulses. These experimental systems aim to disable or destroy hypersonic missiles mid-flight, offering a glimpse into the future of missile defense. Police car light. In this new era, speed alone isn't enough. Survival depends on intelligence, agility, and next-gen tech. The advent of hypersonic weapons has dramatically altered the landscape of global defense. These ultra-fast, maneuverable missiles can bypass traditional radar systems and strike targets within minutes, leaving little to no reaction time. As a result, the world's military powers are being forced to rethink how they defend their airspace and critical infrastructure. To counter this threat, nations are investing in next-generation fighters and multi-layer defense systems that don't just specialize in air-to-air combat but also offer integrated air and missile defense capabilities. This fusion allows real-time communication between airborne platforms, ground defenses, and space-based systems, enabling a faster and more coordinated response to hypersonic threats. Handshake recognizing the global nature of this threat, many countries are now collaborating like never before. International alliances and joint military initiatives are focused on sharing threat intelligence, building early warning systems, and developing interoperable defense platforms. For example, NATO members and allied countries are exploring cross-border satellite surveillance networks and shared missile defense grids. United States. In the United States, one of the most ambitious responses is the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. This future combat system is not just a single jet, it's a family of systems that includes manned and unmanned aircraft, advanced stealth technologies, long-range sensors, and AI-powered targeting tools. Unlike current fighters like the F-22 and F-35, NGAD is being specifically designed to detect, evade, and neutralize hypersonic threats in a rapidly changing battlefield environment. The F-22 Raptor was built to dominate, but the battlefield has changed. Warning: hypersonic missiles aren't just fast, they're rewriting the rules of war. Directed in this new era, survival depends on more than power. It demands reinvention. Shield the skies are no longer safe by design, they must be defended with foresight, speed, and relentless innovation. Air superiority is no longer a legacy, it's a battle that must be fought, and won, every day. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to SkyJet Wings for more updates on cutting-edge aerospace and defense technology. Hit the bell icon to stay ahead with the latest in aviation and military advancements.